Hi everyone, welcome to the Great Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a gingerbread DIY. So come on with me, guys. So I absolutely love gingerbread man, and I am going to go ahead and decorate this wood round that I got from the Dollar Tree. We're going to start out by painting it with that paint I also got at Dollar Tree, guys. It's the prang, and it's the closest color I can get to the gingerbread. So we're going to go ahead and color this round, and then we're going to start embellishing it because this is part of my kitchen decor. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I will be linking all 3 of my channels down below for those of you that didn't even know that I had 3 channels, guys. Yes. Now, the Dollar Tree carries a couple of different kinds of paints. One of them is this prang that I'm using now. If you're using this one, you may have to go back and give it a second coat. It's not exactly pigmented like I wanted, but there is one that is. And so when I have that one in front of me, guys, I will show you which one it is because I was very surprised with it. Now, you know that in between your coats, you really should let it dry. I think I'm okay with this color, but we're going to move that aside as you saw, and we're going to start working with the bow that I'm going to embellish with. I did here really is do a shoe tie bow and butterfly the ends, and I used multiple ribbons because I just wanted it to look full. And look how gorgeous this came out. It was very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do a video doing this slower for those of you who don't have a bow maker and just want to make a simple bow look so beautiful. So now I'm using this wall art. Well, I think I like using the window clings better. These are a little bit harder to get off, and they're supposed to be to decorate their wall art. So we're going to be using the gingerbread house, and I'm going to be adding some stuff to it. So I'll leave you to some music, and I'll be in and out of the video. Right, so always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. I am currently working for the collaboration for 2025, and I am so excited. So I'm absolutely loving the peppermint theme, the candy cane theme, and I'm loving the snowman. So it kind of represents everything. And now we're going to embellish with that bow. And I think this decor piece for your wall came out absolutely gorgeous. Now, I know when you're using window clings or even these stickers, guys, you want to go back with some Mod Podge. You choose the Mod Podge that you like. You have the matte finish, and then you also have the glossy finish. To me, it really doesn't matter. I just want you to seal it in so that those things don't start peeling up. Now I decided to use the candy cane ribbon for a hanger, and we're gonna get ready to head on over to the reveal, guys. So I think it came out amazing, and I hope that you agree, guys. This decor piece came out beautiful. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you, and Merry Christmas. Amen.